Hi everyone. So today I'm going to be talking about Adobe Spark. It's actually a really great website that I was introduced by our school media technician. So this website is really great. I'm going to give you a little tutorial on what you could possibly do. You can actually make a post, a page, or a video. I'm going to just kind of give you an idea what a post is going to look like, or excuse me, a page. I'm going to add a title. Actually, let's add a picture. You can go and you can upload your own photo, look for free photos. So I'm going to type in chemistry because I wanted to do like a mini lesson on the law of conservation of mass. It says add a title. So you can write by and my name. Okay, you can scroll down. You can add photos, text, a button that they can click that can take them somewhere else, a photo grid, also a slide show that kind of puts everything together. It's really cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a video. So I'm going to go to YouTube. So I created this tutorial or this demo of the actual law of conservation of mass. So you can check that out if you want to, but I'm going to copy this link and I am going to embed it into this page. Alright, so now I have law of conservation of mass. My students can actually watch this, this demo, and then I can have them possibly do some practice problems afterwards. You can add more text, do these next set of practice problems, and obviously you can upload that just to preview and give you an idea of how this actually looks. This is it. Students can actually click on the actual video itself.
Hi guys, reaction.
That kind of goes through it all. So a really great type of tool. It's kind of like all-in-one. Our school in particular, we were introduced because it is free for our school. There are different plans, so I would definitely talk to your technician, media technician at work, and see if maybe you possibly have this free.